Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Almaty! Hello everybody, good morning. It's my second day here in Almaty and today we are going to Shymbulak Resort. It's a ski resort, so I'm so excited. I am all bundled up and I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. This is my outfit for today. It's giving ski princess Kim Kardashian chiffies. And I'm gonna have gloves later on as well. I will be bringing a jacket though, because it's gonna be in like negative degrees, whatever. So, cutie! Say hi to the video. Hi!
Ni hao!
Ni hao! O diba? Chinese na ako dito, be. Hello everybody! We are on our way to Shymbulak Resort. It's gonna be an hour car ride, and I have like 2 jackets today because it's gonna be so cold over there. My friends are gonna go skiing and snowboarding. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do that because I'm not really an active person, but we'll see once we get there. I need coffee so bad. I haven't had coffee yet, so let's go.
Doon sa taas. Nagkano ka ba? Nagpasta ka?
Hindi, nagkanin ako French.
Sa pinakatuktok ako.
May snowfall doon.
Pero grabe yung
Yung tok-tok, hindi pa ako nakakapunta sa
Hindi ka
tok-tok.
ba nagpunta?
Doon na ako sa bigay.
Nung nandun ako sa pinakatuktok.
Hello everybody, we are in Medu Cableway. That says how you get to Shymbulak Resort, and it's fogging. So cold. This is where you're in the ski gears. So I've decided to go skiing with Jao and Melissa. It's gonna be so fun. Keeping up with the Kardashians. Ba't ang bigat? Ang ganda. Are you guys ready to go skiing? Ang bigat!
Behind the scenes.
After 20 years, we have finally made it to the cable car. Hi! Pagod.
Ganda mo pa din.
Stress yung beauty ko, day. Mag-hi kayo dyan. Hi! This is gonna be a 20-minute ride, so... So may pagkain na tayo, no? Anong oras na?
2 hours, alas 2 hours tayo.
2 hours and 30
Para
minutes.
makabalik. Kasama na dapat yung pagbalik nun.
Ano bang oras close nito?
So 1.5.
Ano ba yan?
Sure lang.
320.
Parang nahihilo ako dahil
Talaga.
sa gutom, tsaka sa stress. Okay ka pa ba dyan, Melissa?
Yeah. okay lang tayo. What can we do?
Ang ganda ng background mo. Ay, malalim yan. Ah.
Patayuin mo muna ako, gago.
Yep, that's me. Sige, go.
Hawakan!
Go. Ipa-organic encounter daw siya. Ayan, no.
It is harder than I thought. Isang beses lang ako na ganun, guys. Woo! Hello everybody! Welcome back to my channel and welcome to Almaty! Hi guys, I am so tired. It was really exhausting. Not even the ski itself. It's like the prepping, hindi na siya. It's very exhausting, and it's not even the ski part that's exhausting. It's like having to, wear the gears and stuff like that. It was very heavy to like walk with the boots, so it was definitely an experience. I'm happy that I did it. At least, I can say that I tried, but it was really, really hard. Now we're in this mall. I forgot which one. We're just having dinner, and after this one, that's basically it for the day. I'm so exhausted, and we have a tour tomorrow at 5 a.m. So we need sleep.